Alright, I'm going to do something a little different today and look at my code and readmes alongside a terminal here. So one of the first things I wanted to demonstrate is the usage of this create model file, which uses argparse to create what I think is a pretty user-friendly system for creating models like the ones I've used throughout this project. So in the README, and this is just the README in official code in my repository, there are some good examples for command line usage, and I can copy said command, go over to my Linux terminal, and I'm going to scroll back through this and change the path to training plant ID 100. And that's just a small testing set that I've created for testing different processes and models. So the first thing that's going to happen here is the labels will be processed, each label in the set, and since there are only two labels, we get docs and not docs. And as you can see, there are 100 images each. And then we get to the training process. Alright, so after that command is done, you can see that we got a message saying done, train model has been exported to out/export.pkl. And that is going to be in the directory we're currently in. So as you can see, we have an out folder. I can cd out. This is the folder where all the images are put. So we have this docs folder, which should have 100 different photographs of docs. Looks like it does, 0 through 99. And if I go back, I can go into not docs, and we also get a 0 through 99. And the only other thing that's in these folders is our export.pkl, which is the model that we can use now. So for the last part of my software demo, I wanted to go over some of my future plans for this project. And one thing that I didn't get to is the GUI. And the main reason I didn't get to this is because I was more concerned with testing and implementation this semester, but a GUI is something that would be important to this project and would really increase the user friendliness of what I've created. The data glob structure on its own is pretty much complete. It has all the methods that I planned on it having, and it does what I planned that it would be able to do. For the output, one thing that I would like to work on in the future is single image detections, which is something that I only got to start on. But I think it would be a valuable part of this project to be able to input a single unrelated untrained image to a model and get back accuracy metrics about which label it fits into the best. And a big part of this would be creating a similar pipeline where a single input image would be able to be processed with the same settings that the data glob was trained with in order to make predictions as accurately as possible.